Hi guys, I was doing the demo of our Dual Rapid project. So as you guys can see, that is our project main page, where we have some stored user accounts that we can directly log in by click those accounts. So say the 999, you can directly log in by click it. Well, this one is expired, and that's because the characteristic of the Spotify tokens, it will expire in just 1 hour. So probably you should recreate account if your account expired. And we see there's a button under there's add users that we can click in, and we have the four buttons here that we can either log in by entering the username and password, or we can sign up, or we can update account information, which is changing the password and the username, or we can delete account. So let's first try logging. Um, say we have account. Let's see. We have account 999. So we just entering the username and this password. It's also 999, which is what I said. So just click the login. You're gonna enter in the main profile, which is exactly the same effect as you click the 999 on the main page here, right? So also we can sign up the account that we enter in the username and the password we want to set, and we should first click the connect to Spotify so that we can link the Spotify account to this user account, and then we click the sign up. We say user registered successfully, and we see that 123 appeared on this uh, first page. So still we can click in the account to log in, and also we can directly log in here by entering the username and the password. Alright. Also we have an update account buttons here that we can change. You can first enter in the old password and the username, and then entering the new username and the new password. So say we want to change 123 to 555, and the new password is also 555, and then we click the update button. It will show successfully updated, and we can see here the 123 becomes 555, and also the login, the 123 no longer works, and you need to enter in the new password and new account username. So that works. Alright. And also you have the delete options that you can delete here by entering the correct username and the correct password. So entering the correct username and password and click the confirm delete, which says successfully deleted. And if you click the button again, it shows like no such account exists, and that makes sense because you already deleted. Alright, you can see like the 555 is no longer here because we just deleted it. And also the account information are all stored here even after you leave the app and re-entering. So let's say we leave the apps and uh, rerun wrap app, and we see that those accounts are still here, and we can click to directly log in. So that's basically everything about the login systems. And now let's introduce the general profile part, which we have the four buttons that we can either enter in the general profile, which we can check the dual rapid report for a certain time slot, and we can either listening to the clips of some of our like favorite music songs, and also we can click the explore another view to get some LLM generated results that analyze how person would doing when listening your favorite kind of music. And also we have some personal recommendations, which is recommending some artists based on your listening preference. So let's first see the general profile part, which you have three options. You can choose the 1 month report or 1 year report, uh, which generate the report based on your certain time slot of your listening preference. So say that we click the 1 month report, which is the report based on your 1 month listening preference. Uh, so this the first we have in the current mood, which is analysis based on your listening preference. So if you prefer to listen to some happy and positive music in this month, it will say it's like you have a happy and positive mood. And we have some top artists here some top genres, which have the percent after each genre. And we have the preferred listening time, which is basically evening, and we have some favorite tracks here, which is the tracks that you love most in this month. So, and we can also hear some clips of them. So by just directly click the play button here. It can feel way better than in your dreams. If I show you bad behavior, bad behavior, bad behavior. So we can also see the profile of the 1 year, which we see will generate a different result. The mood now becomes setting and active, and top artist changes percent, top artist changes well. And we have a different favorite tracks. Those are favorite tracks set in a year. So you can like try listening to some as well by click the play button. And also the all-time reports, which is basically the same. You have different top artists, different genres, different moods, and you still have some favorite tracks you can listening. So that's basically all about general profile. And we have some My Music options, which is make you able to listening to some clips of your current favorite songs. So you know like there's a favorite songs part in your Spotify account, right? Uh, which is a list of music tracks. So and you can hear those clips from here. Still by clicking the play button. Behavior, bad behavior. So that's the My Music part, and also we have explore another U options, which we first generate your top genres. We find is actually K-pop, and then we will use the large language model to analysis like what the language model would think that the people would do listening to your kind of music. So let's say we click the act, then we see like the people with kind of like excited and passionate fans who often participate in online and offline communities. So that makes sense, right? The people usually listening to K-pop probably excited and passionate kind of fans. Uh, and also we can click the sync button, like get what people are usually sync with listening to like K-pops. So those are like passionate about the music and the artists, the overall culture of the K-pops. They might also have a stronger sense of communities. So those are all large language model generated results. And also how people like to dress. You see like the large language model said like the people usually wear stylish and trendy clothing. So that's basically give you a sense like what the other people is gonna be like uh listening the same kind of music as you are. All right. So also we have a personal recommendation part, which is recommending recommending artists based on your listening preference, and also we make sure that every artist recommend here is not in your followed list, right? So we can see, it does not only have the picture of the artist and his name, and also, uh, who this recommendation based on. So this one is based on your top artist, the Taylor Swift, and the BSS recommended here is based on your top artist 17, those stuff. So that's basically everything about the general profile. And in conclusion, our apps has every base user story function that we are able to log into the Spotify account from the app. We're able to parse the account data and generate a summary of the listening habits. And also we are able to create an account that hosts the Spotify information, and we are able to uh, make the account information persist after app close, and we can update the login info, and we can delete accounts, all that stuff. And for customized user stories, we have the large language model to dynamically describe how someone listen to this kind of music tend to act and sing and dress. So that gives us like plus 8 points. And also we are able to hear some clips of some of the top songs during the Spotify Rapid. And and we are able to integrating the music playback into the Duo Rapid. So we basically get like 16 points plus 8, which is 24 until now. And also we have the new artist recommended based on our current music taste, which is plus 3. And we also have some uh we also are able to control the time span of the generated rap summary, which we can choose like 1 month, 1 year, or all time. So that makes us like 32 points. So basically everything is function. Thank you all.